So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create using a Jimdo website. Okay, so first click search, type Jimdo www.com, then click this, just wait. Oh, this wrong way. You need to click that. So you need to type www.jimdo.com, sign up. So here, as you can see here, you need to log in, and you can use your Gmail account or anything account that you can use on the Jimdo website. So here, once you were done, just click this login. Just wait. So as we can see here, this is, if you can, once you are done login, you will see that there's was a create on the side. So you need to click that, then you're going to go here. So this is my, I'll see you my Jimdo. So this is mine. You can also put a lot of things in here on the Jimdo website. So Jimdo website has a free. So there's two free that you can use. Okay, so this is my Jimdo, or my product, charm bracelet. So as you can see here, there's a lot of things that I put on my Jimdo. You can also put your Jimdo especially and special and important things. So this is my final result I'm creating from Jimdo website. So again, I hope you guys learn a lot of Jimdo.